Today I have 9 summer projects and we're going to begin with the first one right now. I have these shadow boxes. I purchased this at Michael's. It was in a grab bag and I got inspired by these 2 frames right here at Mr. Stan 913. I'll be giving it 2 coats of white linen chalk paint. Now they are all dry, so now let's go ahead and decorate it. So I went to Dollar Tree and I purchased these. And they're 3 in a package, of course. Thought that maybe I can cut these, except that one. I'm using my paper cutter. I just want to make sure that the line is nice and straight. And I did the same process to both of these little bitty pictures. So I'm gonna go ahead and place them inside both of these frames. And to glue it in place, I'm gonna use a lot of Mod Podge. I started adding it to the picture, but then once I placed it inside the shadow box, then I realized that it was not enough Mod Podge, so I just added more Mod Podge directly into the frame. And I did that to both of the frames. And then once that was put in place, then I came back in with a lot of Mod Podge and I covered the entire piece. And then once that was dry, I came in with this beautiful ribbon. They're made out of plastic. I purchased these a while ago. I believe it was in Temu. And now I'm going to be using it. I'm going to use the black one. And they are self-adhesive as well. And they look like lace. These ribbons are absolutely gorgeous. So I'm just going to go ahead and place it all 4 corners of both of the frames. And this is going to look so classy. Now, I didn't show you this on camera, but because this had already Mod Podge, once both of the ribbons were in place, I came back with my heat tool and I heated up a little so like that the plastic ribbon could stick and not come loose within time. And this is it. Look at how gorgeous it looks. I did it to both of them. And now I have the 3rd frame. And because this is going to go to my bathroom, I am going to go ahead and place the flush the toilet, close the lid on the 3rd one. And doing the same thing, adding a lot of Mod Podge. And once all of these were put in place, then I came in with some black chalk paint and I started painting the border because I thought that there was something missing. And after looking at it, I'm like, wow, this really gave it that nice touch. Of course, I did the same thing to all 3 frames. I also added some hooks on all 3 of the frames, actually on 2 of the frames. And then the 3rd one, which was the flush the toilet, that one I left as is. 2 of them went to my wall and the other one went into a shelf. Let me know what you think in the comment section. For this second project, I got these floaties and you could find these at the dollar store. I have these for like probably 2 to 3 years and I finally came across them. And I was inspired by At Two Sisters story. And this is what I got inspired by. So I'm going to go ahead and take the white chalk paint and give it 2 entire coats to only 1 piece because that's all I'm going to be using, only 1 piece. My dear friends, today is another open collaboration DIY inspiration and it's all about Sunshine Summer. This is being hosted every month by Loli from Loli D's Creations along with Kate from Lady Red Crafting. And today I am the guest host, DIY with Aurea. These ladies are not only sweet, but they are super talented. I'm going to be leaving the links directly to their channels down in the description box so you can go ahead on and visit them. Make sure to visit the playlist as well. Give them a lots of love by subscribing, sharing, and liking to these talented creators' channel. And when you're there, please go to the comment section and make sure to let them know that I send you. And if you are coming from one of their platforms, I am so honored that you decided to click into this channel. I hope you decide to stay a little while by subscribing as well. I have this peel and stick. I cut it to the size of 5 by 8. I'm not going to peel it. I'm just going to place it inside the frame, close it back up, and then with plenty of hot glue, I'm going to be gluing the half of this floaty and I'm placing it right on top of the glass. Now, for the purpose of this video, I did it with this hot glue, but you know it's not not gonna stay in place. So if you want something like this and you want it permanent, I would definitely use a different glue. And then I have some floral. I'm gonna be adding that as well. I'm gonna go ahead and make a bow and then tuck the tails, and with more hot glue, I'm going to be placing it right on top of that floaty. And then this is it, my dear friends. You let me know what you think in the comment section. I think this came out pretty cute. So these 3 mirrors are from Dollar Tree. We all know that. And all I did was glue them together, and I reinforced them with popsicle sticks and Jenga blocks. I got an idea from one of the creators, and I'm going to be leaving the picture of what inspired me. And all I'm going to do is I'm going to add some legs. And these are the legs, so I'm going to go ahead and paint them. Ooh, that's a lot of paint right there. Lord have mercy. Well, I guess this is not chalk paint. This is acrylic paint, that's for sure. Yeah, that's a lot of paint. Well, I'm going to go ahead and start painting these. And of course, because this is raw wood, it's gonna paint really quick. And I think I'm just gonna need 1 coat. And I'm gonna do that to all 4 of them, of course. And after all, I decided to add 6 legs for reinforcement. And this beautiful tray, I'm going to be using it in my entry table. And it's going to look absolutely gorgeous. Let me know in the comment section what you think about this one. And I really like this one as well. This looks nice and classy, and it matches my decor. I was fixing my floors, and I went to Menards and I picked a couple of these samples, and my inspiration came from April Pinchback. So that's what I'm going to start creating. I'm going to be adding glue on all 4 corners and then reinforcing them with Jenga blocks. And my dear friends, this is a short reminder. Please make sure to go ahead and visit these creators. The playlist is down below, and the links to these sweet ladies is also down below. And these ladies are not only sweet, but they are very talented. Now this project is very simple, but it turned out so pretty. Now once I added all the 4 walls and I created a box, then I came in with a little piece of cardboard, and with more hot glue I added to the Jenga block, and then I added the black cardboard. And then I'm gonna add some legs by adding these wood rounds or wood beads. And of course, I'm adding 4 of them. And then this is it, my dear friends. I also have some floral, and that is it. Let me know in the comment section your thoughts. My stash with this one project. I got this belongs in the bathtub or the shower. This is to put your shampoos or body wash, whatnot. As you can see, it's not all that beautiful, but we are going to fix that with Rust-Oleum paint and primer. The color stain, well, it's stained and it is black. So I'm going to take it outside and I'll be back in just a few. Well guys, I went outside and I left it out there. It's drying. In the meantime, I have 3 of these mason jars, and I'm going to be painting all 3 of them with this white chalk paint. All I'm doing is taking my dabbing sponge brush and just dabbing the entire piece. And I think I'm gonna give it 2 coats just to make sure that it doesn't look transparent. I got this beautiful ribbon. I'm gonna go ahead and place it right here in the middle. Well, not in the middle, but on the lid. I meant to say middle because this one is going to be the middle mason jar. And just to cover this up, I'm going to be placing 1 sunflower in the middle. And for this one, I'm going to go ahead and place this black one on the lid of the jar the same way as the first one. And then I have a very thin yellow one. I'm going to place that one right on top of that one. And then for this one, I have a bigger sunflower. So that's gonna go right there. So far we have 2. This is the way they look. Now for this one, I'm gonna go ahead and do the same thing. I'm gonna do the black one and then the yellow. And then of course I'm gonna place another yellow one. And this one, well, not another yellow one, another sunflower. This one is bigger as well. And this is it. You could either do it this way, facing that way, or facing this way. So I think I'm going to use it this way. And look at how cute. Let me know in the comment section what you think about this simple project. Okay, so I have these candles. I have 2, of course. And I got inspired by something that I saw on, I believe it was Pinterest. So I'm gonna go ahead and cut this here. Gonna see how close I can get to the border before I start gluing this. And again, you know, my house, I'm incorporating a lot of black and white. So that's why I'm incorporating those colors. This is cute. And for this project, it took no time to create. I purchased this leather piece and I'm cutting 2 pieces, one longer than the other. This is self-adhesive. I'm gonna go ahead and peel the backing of the leather strip. Then I'm gonna go ahead and fold it. And just to make sure that it's nice and even, once it's all folded, then I make sure that I trimmed it and make sure that of course it's all even. And I got inspired by this creator called Decor Conmigo. She is a very talented lady. Now it's time to adhere it to this jar with plenty of hot glue. I'm going to glue this section right here, and then once this is glued all together, then I'll take it to the other side and do the same thing. And then for the second piece, I'm going to do the same thing. Peel the backing And because it's self-adhesive, like I said before, then I'm going to put it all down in the bottom section as you see. And then this is it, my dear friends. Let me know in the comment section what you think about this one.
Thanks for stopping by and watching till the end. Hope you had fun. Come back again. Don't forget to like, subscribe. It's free. DIY with Aurea creativity.